Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan and today we are going to be doing another DIY sort of deal. This one's more of like a cooking with me, except we're not really cooking. We will be making our own at-home lattes, iced lattes. Yeah, so let's get to it. Really quickly before we move over to the kitchen and we kind of get started, what inspired this? Well, this morning I was out running some errands. I had a few appointments, and while I was out, I thought that I would treat myself to an iced latte, you know, just like I didn't have breakfast, I didn't make my coffee. Thought I'd just, you know, get myself an iced coffee. Literally here it still is, because as you can see, I didn't drink it. I spent like $6 on this. So nothing against Starbucks, although not really my favorite coffee place, but I got this iced, I think, what is it? An iced flat white, because they were all out of iced lattes for some reason. And I thought I ordered it with soy milk, but it came, and the worst thing that could have ever happened. It came with whole milk. Like, two things. I am lactose intolerant, so I have been drinking like lactose free or some sort of milk alternative since I was in, I think, like 4th grade or so for so long. And second, who even drinks whole milk anymore? Like, I don't know. Like, why is that an option on the menu? Because it is, I like tried to drink it, I really did, and I was like, this is so just like not good. I mean, if you like whole milk, more power to you, but not for me. So anyway, as you can see, drank like this much, and that said, I thought it'd be fun to teach everyone at home how to make the best at-home iced latte. I recently, well, I've had an espresso machine for years now, like 4 years, and never knew how to use it. I was just drinking straight espresso for so long, and finally I have discovered the art of making like the best cappuccinos and lattes and iced lattes, and doing them with my favorite milk alternatives. So right now I have some oat milk in my fridge, so we are going to make an oat milk latte, and highly recommend. So let's do that. So we're over in this corner of my kitchen. I apologize for the window behind me, so that lighting is not going to be great, but this corner of my kitchen is where my Nespresso machine is, and then I brought over some Chobani vanilla oat milk, a cup of ice, a stevia in the raw, and then my reusable metal straw. So first things first, I'm just gonna turn on the espresso machine. It blinks, 2 buttons. So you don't need an espresso to do this. You can totally just use like cold brew coffee. I guess then that's not necessarily a latte, but more of an iced coffee deal. But any espresso maker or like stovetop espresso maker would work just fine. I just happen to have this, and I love this. Got it for Christmas like so long ago, as I said, and it's been a miracle appliance. Anyway, so back over here. So what I'm going to do first is, while that heats up, I'm going to open up the chamber, and then I'm going to grab out my Nespresso pods. These are the Peet's pods. So good. I love Peet's coffee. Like, I wish I went to Peet's this morning. That's how much I love Peet's coffee. I just happen to have a Starbucks gift card, and you know, you gotta use this gift card, save a little cash. But Peet's coffee is so good. It changed my life. So I've been buying the Peet's pods so you can have it at home. So I'm gonna grab one of those, put that back over there, and then I'm gonna grab my little espresso cup. Ironically, it's a Starbucks espresso cup. Oh my god, can you see that? There you go. It's really cute. It's a cute cup. But we know now how I feel about Starbucks. Anyway, so put that down over there. And then I'm gonna pop in the pod right in here, close the chamber, and then press my large espresso button. Look at that. Oh yeah. The machine is so loud. Yeah, if you have roommates, I don't know about it. Ooh. Check that out. I'm gonna... Nice. Okay, that's done. It's literally overflowing. Like, and it does this every time. I can't figure out how to make it like perfect. And the small cup is like really tiny. It's like so not even enough espresso. But anyway, I like to like let that chill a little bit. Sometimes I'll put it in the refrigerator. Here I'm just gonna kind of toss it right in. But next I'm going to take my stevia. I just have it in the packets, but it's like the perfect measurement. I'm not exactly sure. This is 1 gram of stevia. And I like to kind of put it on the ice. Not that it matters what order, but I put it on the ice. Perfect. All right, and then next, I like to do this if my espresso is really, really hot. I like to do this really quickly so that the espresso doesn't melt the ice and it's watery. But I'm gonna put my straw in there so that it's ready to stir as soon as it's done. And then I'm just going to go ahead and I'm gonna open up my oat milk and my espresso and just pour them in together. Woo! Look at that. And then we're gonna stir it up just to chill it out. I have made the biggest mess. Look at that. But hello. Look at this. I'm gonna bring it back up here. Okay. So here she is in her little Malibu farm cup because like, yes. And so good. I'm like wishing I made coffee at home this morning. Like that's how good this is. It's the perfect amount of sweet. Like I use vanilla oat milk, which does make it a little bit sweeter, but you can totally use regular oat milk or soy milk or what is the other milks to make almond milk. I just love oat milk, so that's what I'm using. And I think the Chobani one is super creamy. Like it's the creamiest oat milk that I have purchased thus far, and I've tried a couple different brands. So if you're looking for like one that is similar to a milk, I think the Chobani one is the one. Anyway, but so good. It's like sweet. The stevia was an acquired taste for me, but I really actually do like it so much better than sugar. All around best latte you can make at home. Look at this. Try not to spill so your parents don't get mad at you, but yeah, so that's really it. Like that was the video. That was our today's exploration. I just thought I'd bring everyone a really good latte recipe, but give us a try at home, I guess. And that's it for now. Like they say, like, comment, subscribe, share the whole thing, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.